So I wanted to come down here this morning to take a look. Yesterday afternoon there was another little rainstorm and there was just enough wind to make these trees fall. I wasn't here when it happened, but I've come back to take a look. This is incredible, guys. This is the tree that was split. It finally did fall. Standing in a T where it broke off right here, but it goes all the way down the trail here. A pretty huge tree. This big one fell. It took several down with it. Check that out. There's several trees down here. And these were so small they just got bent over while it fell. Here's the size of one, the one that was uprooted. Goes all the way back that way. It's almost directly parallel from the other one. And it's fallen as well. So there's the one and the other one's. This limb came down off of this one. But here's the top of that one. And where it broke off is all the way down there. I'd say we were pretty fortunate, guys. Have an amazing day.